Sari's gonna learn about the different
Paper
colors.
vision.
What are the different colors on your poster? Can you point to me?
Brown, green, pink, purple, blue, orange, yellow, and red.
And red. What are the different objects in the color purple? What do you see, Sari? Purple, yep. What do you see? What is this? It's a vegetable. It's an
Eggplant.
eggplant.
And this is a nail polish.
A nail polish.
I will get the nail polish for me.
Put on the nail so they will look pretty. What about this one? Is this Mommy's favorite flower? What flower is that? Lavender.
That's your favorite dish. Inside is like cotton candy. Yum, 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 yum,
Eating
yum.
a pink cotton candy.
I want to eat it.
Wanna eat it?
Yeah.
Oh no, Sari's eating the candies. Okay, they're all gone now. Finished.
I want to eat the strawberries.
Are those blueberries or grapes?
Grapes.
Grapes.
And this is
And
blueberries.
those are blueberries.
I want to eat the blueberries.
What else do you see?
Orange. I want the orange.
Oh, you're eating all the fruits.
On the fruit.
What about the vegetables? Can you eat the vegetables too? What vegetable is this?
I want to eat the fish. I want to eat the fish. I want to eat the fish.
The fish.
I want to eat the fish again.
That's a dolphin. Ah, there's another fish, a blue fish.
I want the watermelon. I want this.
Oh no, Sari ate all the fruits and vegetables.
Another one on the railroad.
Yellow, what's that yellow fruit?
Ah.
Are you still hungry? Are you
My
full
tummy.
now?
Yeah.
You full now?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show them again what?
Another green.
Ah, that's an avocado and peas.
I want this one.
Is that your dessert? Chocolate and cookies. And what is this?
A cookie man.
A cookie man? What do you call a cookie man?
A finish.
It's a
Gingerbread man.
It's a gingerbread man. You finished everything?
Yeah.
What?
And this one. And this. And this.
Okay, can you show them again the different colors?
I want to eat the flower.
They're eating the flower. Can you show them again the different colors? You point the colors and you tell them what color that is.
Brown. Go red.
What color is this?
Chocolate red brown.
It's a chocolate brown.
I want to eat the caterpillar.
What color is the caterpillar?
Green.
Green.
Okay. Look like a cow.
Looks like a cow.
A cow. A cow.
A car.
Yeah. Wee.
Ah, yeah, like a beetle. Okay. Can you tell me what color this is? What color?
Wow.
Brown. What about this one?
Green.
Green.
Purple.
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 What color?
Purple.
That's purple. This is?
Purple.
No.
This is purple.
That's a watermelon. What color is this? Pink. Pink.
That's purple.
That's a pink. Pink.
No purple. No, that's black.
Yeah, that's black. What about this one? What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. And this is?
Orange.
Orange.
Red.
Yellow.
Red.
And red. Are those the colors of the rainbow? Some of them.
Yeah, like shells.
Hmm?
Like shells.
controls.
Yeah.
There you go.
I was gonna make colors.
Okay.
Red.
Mm-hmm.
We need to move it. Red. Purple. Nope.
What's after red?
Red.
Yellow or orange? Orange, right?
Yeah, orange. Green.
Mm-hmm. And then, remember Roy G. Biv? That's red, orange, and then
Orange. I said Rogy bit.
Roy G. Biv. What's Y? Y.
Stop, 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 stop.
What color is that?
Red.
Yellow. That's Roy. And then G. G is green.
You.
G is green.
Rogy babe. Start singing.
Green. What about the table and the crown?
On the table. Rogy babe.
Okay, that's green. What about B? B is blue.
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 Blue. Blue. Name is Blue.
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 What's after blue?
Indigo.
Indigo.
And a purple.
And then violet.
A
Or
purple.
purple.
This purple.
That's in between. Wow! And then what's the last one?
Yeah.
You want to add the black. Wow, Sari, you just made a rainbow. Nice.
So
Okay, bye.
bye. Next time.
See you next time. Like and subscribe.
Subscribe.